Good morning, students. In this session, I will make you understand about reverse of a string. Here, you will be given a string. This, all the characters, we have to reverse it. See, the first character should come at the end. Second character, second place from the last. It means if you observe this, you will understand. See, these two swapped means exchanged. Swap means exchange. Okay, these two swapped here. See, again same way, these two swapped. See this, you will understand. So, we have to travel from this side, one variable this side, we have to swap it. Then how to swap two numbers or two characters? I will explain by taking a local example. Here, this is milk. This is water. You want to exchange this. So you need one more glass. Take this. This you can call it as means temporary glass. So this you need to put here first. This milk you have to put here. Now this becomes empty. Second step, you have to put this. So now this becomes empty. So this you can put here. Now both are exchanged. Simple way. So here you need to exchange these two in the same manner. Here you need to take one variable, that is temp. Remember, this is character array. These are characters. So temporary variable, whatever you take, that should be character only. It should be character variable. Okay, fine. See, this you need to put here. C. Next, this you have to copy here. See, this you have to copy here. So you should know this number 7. See, this R is at the index of 7. So how will you get this 7? What is 7 here? It is length of a string. See, how many characters are there? 8 characters are there actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters. What is the index here? 7. So length of the string is 8. So what is the index? It is the last character index 7. So length of the string minus 1. You will get 7. It means 8 minus 1, 7. In this program, you can see here, I value 0. So 0. These two you need to exchange, right? So the first point is this, second point is this, right? So this directly you can write 0. This length of a string minus 1. Length of a string is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So J value is 7. This is I, this is J. So you need to put string of I. String of I means here string of 0 is C. C you have to put here. Then string of J means R, you can put directly here. Then you can put this to here. This is what happened here. You can exchange this. See, understand this. Now I is here, J is here. After this R will come here, right? Then C will come here. Now you have to take second character here also second from the last. So I should be incremented. I should be incremented. J should be decremented. J should be decremented. I should be incremented. This you should understand. So here I plus plus. I should be incremented. J should be decremented. Again you check the condition here. Here condition is what? J should be decremented. I should be decremented till it reaches. When J crosses I, you have to stop. So now these two exchange. This E will come here. O will come here. Right? Again, I is incremented. J is decremented. Again do the same thing. Exchange this. T will come here. M will come here. Right? Again do the same. I is incremented. J is decremented. So U will come here. P will come here. Right? Do same thing. I will come here. J will come here. Because if you decrement J will come here. According to the condition, I must be always less than J. Right? I should be less, but according to this, now J value is 3, I value is 4. I becomes more. So you have to stop. When I becomes more than J, we have to stop it. Now see, the string is reversed. This is how it works. So simple.